Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for affiliate marketing plugins. Popular options include Thirsty Affiliates, Pretty Links, or Affiliate WP. Install the plugin of your choice by clicking Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Next, configure the settings of your chosen plugin. This typically involves entering your affiliate network details. Now, begin creating your first affiliate link. In your plugin settings, look for an option like Add New Link. Enter the destination URL you want to promote. Add a descriptive name for easy identification. Save the new affiliate link. Next, create a relevant blog post or page where you'll insert the link. In the post editor, write engaging content that matches the affiliate product. Highlight the text where you want to add the affiliate link. Insert the link using the plugin's interface or toolbar button. Ensure the link opens in a new tab for a better user experience. Publish your post once you're satisfied with the content. To track your links, return to your plugin dashboard. Monitor clicks and conversions regularly to gauge performance. Consider promoting your post on social media and email newsletters. Join affiliate marketing communities for tips and support. Continuously update your content to keep it relevant. Experiment with different products and strategies to improve success. Engage with your audience to understand their needs better. Always disclose affiliate links to maintain transparency. This completes your beginner guide to deploying affiliate marketing with WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.